Hello soulmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's class we'll be learning how to sew and fit this cargo pocket. So if that is what you want to learn, let's get started. So for starting, we'll be needing a fabric of 11 inches by 11 inches, and I'll be ironing the middle point to form a crease line, and from there I will mark away 2 inches from both sides, and I will be folding it like so to meet at the mid point on the two sides. Then I will sew it down like so. Now the next thing is to bring our border, and our border is 3 inches, and I folded ½ inch in and iron. So the next thing is our cover. Our cover is 3 inches on fold. Cover is 3 inches on fold, as you can see, and I've already folded in ½ inch. So we'll be placing right side of the pocket to the right side of our border like so, and we are going to be sewing it round. And I will be cutting out any excess, or better still, mark your pocket round and cut your border. You have excess, so I'll be cutting it out like so. So the next thing is to fold it in. Fold your pocket like so. Just watch the way I'm doing. And you can also top stitch and that upper part like so. So our pocket is almost ready. Then fold it in like so, and also top stitch round. Yeah, our pocket is almost ready. Now the next thing is to bring in our pockets, our cover rather. The next thing is to bring in our cover. And at this point, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. And I'm measuring the length, the width of the pocket, so that is what the cover will carry, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. So we'll be sewing half inch on both sides. And the next thing is also to stop stitch our cover round like so. So this is the pocket and this is the cover. Now the next thing is to bring in our trouser. So this is the other side that I've made. So the next thing is to bring in our trouser and mark where you want your pocket to be, and that's what I'm doing right there. Please share, like this tutorial so that other fashion designer can also see it. So, and after placing my pocket, I'm marking out where my pocket is sit. So I bring out the border like so, and see the way I bring out the border, and I'm placing it where I mark earlier. And the next thing is to make sure our pocket is fixed, is not moving about. So where I place my hands will be top stitching on that like so. That is the pocket on our trouser. So the next thing is to fix our cover. I mark ½ inch away from the pocket like so on the trouser. Then I'll be placing my cover on it and sew it on an ½ inch allowance. Down, the next thing is to top stitch on the cover like so. Voila, our cargo pocket is ready. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.